Welcome back to the top. It's your boy, Big Country. Today is February 1st. I completed my first month of vlog straight, non-stop. I'm proud of myself. Pat myself on the back. I'm gonna get back to you guys in a second. Peace. And they're off. 3, 4, 5, 6. Beating the seagull some peanuts. Yep, y'all know what time it is. Time for work. Los Angeles, baby. Live and die LA. Hey. I'm just sitting here smoking on my way to Beverly Hills to go get this money. See when I get there. Peace. More LA traffic. LA traffic, baby. Better view. Look at this traffic. LA, big city of dreams, baby. Look at me way up there. On my phone, chilling. About to move that material. So we got some fake sprinkles in the forecast. I guess I gotta put on my rain boots because I got on flip flops right now. Fucking A. I forgot to tell y'all, we having Chick-fil-A for breakfast today. Got me a buttery biscuit and some hash browns, baby. With bacon and egg whites with cheese. Ooh, yeah. Are you dumb? Are you retarded? Did you write the short yellow bus? All right, then, I'm gonna teach you something that's easy. All you gotta do is like, comment, and push the little red button on the side. Or you're retarded, okay? Don't be dumb. Don't be stupid. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe, baby. Shout out to whoever painted this, making their job harder. Get out and look, motherfuckers. This place is pretty nice, called Commissy. I gotta go grab an order from here. Fuck with this traffic, man. See a little vehicle. It's cute. Is that a motorcycle or a fucking car? I don't know. See if we can get closer. Thank you. Pedro. What's the name of this place? Taco El Galveston. Let's see, Taco El Galveston. Taco Galveston, something like that. It looks like this. They're actually popping up all over LA. So I got me a horchata, rice water, and a horchata, rice water, and a torta. Asada torta, well done. With some green sauce, some peppers. Like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. I'm about to eat this before it get cold. See you in a second. Peace. Aston Martin truck. I didn't even know Aston Martin had a truck. Oh, yeah, she's hot. Yeah. Got the Fisker, the electric car. I heard a story. He was supposed to be doing this. The guy who designed his car, he was designing the car for Tesla too, but Tesla fired his ass because he heard he had a secret car company for himself, and this is the secret car company right here, Fisker. Peace out. See you guys in a second. Fisker Rivero. Look at Kobe. Can't leave Kobe out. Hey, what's up, Kobe? We see you, bro. Rest in peace. Right there. Hey.